Hey everyone, how y'all doing? It's time to do the drawing for the giveaway. I'm giving away this Nite-Ize DOOHICKEY FISHKEY tool to anyone that commented and subscribed on my video about it. Giving away for my reaching 100 subscribers. And like I keep saying, it's just a small token of my appreciation. But without further ado, let's get to it. So I have the video URL already in. Let's fetch it. Anything goes. I won't include replies. And I have 8 comments. So let's pick the winner. Mondoc Living. That's cool. So I'll leave my email address in the description of this video. If you can email me your address, I'll send it right out to you. Or since I follow you we follow each other on Instagram, you can DM me on Instagram also. So that's it. Congratulations. Check this guy's channel out if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, bye.